Hello and welcome to Suvigya's World. In today's coding tutorial, we are going to add some things to our RPG game in Scratch. So first I will go to our main player sprite and make it look better. So I'll just copy the sprite so that if we need the sprite again, I'll just use hide and this other one, let's change its costume. So let's erase this. I'll use this. So now I have an idea of a character which looks like Steve from Minecraft. So I'll start making him. If you press shift, you get a perfect square. So now I'll make a rectangle of a bigger size, which will be his body. Let's take it a bit up. So now let's make his arms. So now we have his arms. Now it's time to make his legs. So I'll make the legs just by one rectangle and then divide them like this. So now we have a basic drawing. So now we can change it. Like I can make it symmetrical. Oops. Now I'll just reverse it. And now I can add this here. Or I'll just delete half part. And now I have a basic Steve outline. So now let's fill him with color. I'll make his clothes by making this leaves. So now let's start painting. I'll take it purple and this is light blue. And let's paint his body with skin color. And for his hair, I'll take black. I'll use this filled one. And now let's add his hair style. So now we'll add his eyes. This symmetry tool is actually a good tool. Oops. And there we go. We have the eyes and let's make his mouth. I'll just make a normal line for now. Or I have an idea. Let's make it a smile. I'll make this smile for now. And let's make him small. So now we'll copy this sprite. And now for costume 1 we have this. And for costume 2 it would be the back side. So I'll just paint this black. And then paint this skin color. And let's add some more hair. Yeah, now it looks good. So now we have made a back sprite for Steve. Now let's make a side sprite when he's looking to the left or right. So first I'll do this. Just take the hand. Actually no, I'll just make it different. No, this vector doesn't work. So then I'll just remove the hands first. And then I'll just make this small. I mean thin. I have a better idea. I'll just make it on my own. Let's paint it. And then I have this hand sprite. I'll take it here. So now we even have his hand. And so that the head is the same size of the head of Steve, I'm going to take a part of Steve's head and make it a bit smaller. So we'll just take this much part, make it a bit like this. And there we have Steve's head. A bit up. Okay, it's okay. So then I'll fill the paint over here. For some reason, the paint's gone. Ooh. Just a minute. Just a bit down. Yes. Now I'll paint it black. Yes. And skin color from this side. and I'll just take a part of his eye so that it feels like we are looking at Steve from one side. And now we have Steve from one side. I know it doesn't look that good because it's just the start, but soon we'll have better sprites. So I'll just reverse it. So you can see we have the four sides. So the front sprite is costume 1, the back sprite is costume 5. Where? Oh, it's here. Okay. So in Steve also. Yes. So we have the moving ready. So now Steve can go. Oh, the sprite's not changing. Costume 1. Wait. The right side is costume 2 and costume 3 and costume 2 is here and costume 3 is here. Yes. And for our costume 1, no, costume 5 and costume 1. Yes. So now we have the correct sprites. No, it's small. Oh, there's some problem in the code. So this has to be sprite 8. Okay. Okay, so I'll have to make our house go a bit on that side. Make the house go here. I have an idea. Like when click go to this and make the house small. So now we can move Steve correctly. There's some problem. I have to fix this. In Steve's costumes. I'll make all of them a bit small. I'll make this a bit big. Okay, I'll just color the eyes so that it becomes easier. I'm making them black for now. So now they are all of the same size. Yes, now they are of the same size. I can make Steve big now. So when the game begins, oh, okay, this problem's there. Okay, so when Steve touches this sprite 7, so broadcast 2. When I receive 2, so at that time Steve needs to reach here. So now as you can see, it will work correctly. Yes, it does. It's working. I'll just make this rock over here so that we can go. And that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching and bye for now.